Hello guys. Well, currently I'm packing up my stuff. Right there, then I have the other suitcase back. We're getting ready. Then we're gonna go to Charlotte tonight, spend the night at my cousin's house, and then tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock we're getting on the airplane. My first time on an airplane. See you guys when we're leaving the apartment. Toddy. We left and everything and ready to go, and I remembered I forgot my guard. Yep, right here. The giant peach. It's too early in the morning. Oh, sucks. Delta. And I gotta worry about no camp. Yeah. With no foolishness, I'm just here to catch a flight. Okay. Well, our original flight was supposed to be at 6:55, but the lady said that we couldn't check our carry-on bags. She couldn't even check our bags on, so we have to get the second flight at 12:50 p.m., which means we're not going to get there until like, is it 3:20 something? We're not going to get there. Yeah. So we got to go and reschedule our stuff. I'm a little bit annoyed. Well, not a little bit. I'm really greatly annoyed. We got turned around, but it's fine, right, Mom? Because that means we can explore. Okay. Guys, we got. Oh, I just untied my shoestring. Whatever, it can stay untied. We got here. It was dark out. Look at the sun. My only concern is getting a window seat. Finally, I can stop and tie my shoe after this, but we got turned around again, guys. We're staying positive, right, Mom? We're staying positive, but we got turned around again. But at least this next flight isn't until 12, so we have wiggle room. It's hotter on this side. I'm about to say it's hotter on the Delta side than it is the other side. Okay, so guys, we're gonna look around. We just got out of checking. We'll look in the store. I grabbed a postcard and a little. Alright, I think we're gonna try to eat at Shake Shack. You wanna grab something from Shake Shack? Yeah. I'm honestly, I'm a little bit excited about our little hangout time. Just cause we get to explore. What are we doing? My nose is stuffy. The lady felt bad for us since we missed the check-in, so we couldn't get on our flight. So she took our carry-on bags for free, so we don't have to carry them around. She was sweet. Okay. I found us a seat at our meal. We've got water. It's really good water. It's really refreshing. We got Shake Shack. We got fries and what's it called? A shroom burger? Yeah. We got fries and a shroom burger. Oh, you want to look in the chocolate factory? We're gonna look at a chocolate factory, guys. It's like a little mall. We're gonna go. Our gate is A1, but we don't board till 12:30. Oh, can you open? Our thing is A1, yeah. like the steak sauce. So we are going to go ahead and get there. It starts boarding at 12:30. My mom and I gonna be on that mug at 12:30. Sit there and watch everybody board. You don't gotta worry about us missing nothing.
No.
They got a lot of food places here.
Queen City, wanna walk in here?
Yeah, let's walk in Queen City. So I can try to Queen City. Woo. Here are all the little souvenirs.
Toilet tissue. In the shape of a face.
We looked inside and oh my gosh, guys. And they really are, whoa.
It's different.
I know. It's like you turn this corner and all the shops disappear. Tell me why they were selling corn nuts for $8. If you come on a flight, you should bring money for the airport. Look at us. NSB in it out. NSB. You had to do all that. We've been.
Come on, I need that. Why you fucking turn it at you?
Okay.
minutes.
30 minutes until we can line up to get on the flight.
Tell the vlog what you've been doing the past time.
Say what?
Tell the vlog how you've been passing your time.
Sleeping, playing on my phone. This weather look like I don't think you pack right, but I was trying to be cute and summery kind of.
I was trying to be cute too, but I'm like, yeah, at least I didn't bring jeans. At least I do have like 2 jackets. I wish the other 2 weren't so poofy. I would have been able to bring them because they would take up way too much space. Like I fold them down and take up like 1/4 of my suitcase. It's gonna be cold in Boston when we go there, guys.
Good thing we got
No, when my mom first, I was like, Mom, we should get a sweatshirt, and the guy was like, no, they were like $70, right? Okay, I don't know, it was either 50 or 70. And then I was like, Mom was like, but that's kind of expensive. So then I was like, well, we can get a poster, but the poster was like
close to the same.
the poster was like close to the same price for a poster. Mom was like, no, let's just get the hoodies, I guess. And then my mom was complaining about them, and I looked at her.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because when we was in Nashville and we went on the sightseeing tour, we had those.
Oh yeah, we were sightseeing tour. I was wearing mine, and I was nice and comfortable. My mom was, she was jelly. The flashlight won't turn off on my portable charger. Hey guys, we officially have less than 10 minutes before we load the plane. We're screaming at her now. But yeah, I'm so excited.
Still got your headphones in your bag?
Yeah. I'm so excited. Guys, my seat is 11A, so I have the window seat.
Commercial flight.
Guys, here's something fun. Here's a fun little fact. I flew an airplane before I rode in one.
It is a fact.
That is a fact.
The weather and all. It's bad.
Look at that, guys. How cold it's gonna be. This is where we're gonna board at eventually. She just opened the door. Happy stomp. Happy stomp. Happy stomp. We're acting like those people that you see that you're kind of like, let me stay away from this. Like, we're literally like right here. Never mind. First class boards first. Maybe if like we're gonna go out of the country, then we might get a first class. Heck yeah, go out in luxury, baby. Guys, I'm excited to see what plane snacks are.
Basic, all roads, all passengers, you're welcome to board. I didn't check
That's
on
us.
security
We're
on bags,
basic.
your final.
She really made us seem like we were nothing. She was like, oh, just basic go. Like, you didn't get no introduction or nothing. But okay, that's fine. Jeez. I don't want to be special in your like anyways. Leave me alone. Not her trying to passenger shame us.
I know, right?
She's trying to passenger shame.
There's worse things to do than go through
Please pay attention to safety announcements. Sit back, enjoy your flight, and once again, welcome aboard.
Yeah, I have a peanut allergy, and they remembered and they just asked us about it. They were like, is it just peanuts? I was like, is it any other type of nuts? Like, we have allergies. They're good.
Right, so one way to do it. All of it.
I like that this one has 2 seats because the other one had 3 seats, so we're gonna have to be sitting on strangers. Cost check complete. Put my headphones on in a minute, but I want to wait till after we at least take off, you know. Her first ever flight was to Boston. And now and she's in high school, and my first flight is going to Boston, and I'm in high school. And it was with my mother. Yeah, and she went with her mom, and I'm there, my mom. We're starting to move. I'm already so tired. Put my headphones on and I'm asleep. We're in Boston. Boston's #1 global carrier. We have arrived. First time at a baggage claim. Exciting. At this little machine. I'm just gonna go in a circle until our bags come.
No, there's 2 more.
We're on an airport shuttle. On a plane.
So is one. So in case of any accident.
Mom, do you care to explain to the vlog what just happened?
No, I don't.
At least we know that
They're doing their job.
at least we know they're doing their job, but nothing like it was nothing actually crazy going on. after a very long, hectic trip. Mass confusion, hectic. Not only are we finally in Boston, we got everything situated. We can get our car, we can sit down in a hotel, we can get food. We don't have to stress about how we're going to get to places anymore. We're picking up our car. What kind of car do you think we'll get?
I don't know.
It said that it could be the one on the website or a wild card.
Hey, as long as it has 4 wheels.
4 wheels.
And gas. We good.
Also, I guess a lot of people are here for the convention because the little cute Asian guy at the little thing was like, he was like,
everybody.
yeah, he was like, oh, you here for? Because I was trying to. He asked like, where, like, are we gonna stay in like this area or are we gonna be going around? I was like, well, we're gonna be going to like the I don't know how to say it, like the Tuscaloosa Center. And he was like, oh, are you gonna come for the convention? And he was like, oh yeah, that's few people are here for the convention, so
Everybody. That's why I was so glad. I was gonna say, when we first got off the thing, I was like, what is going on here this weekend?
Yeah.
This week? Why
I guess a lot of people are here for the convention. Look at our rental car. Hey, get in. Get these out. It's so beautiful. Oh, y'all, this is nice. Oh, gosh. Whoever was riding in the passenger seat is a shorty patootie. Jeez Louise. I need to pull this seat all the way back.
That's a sweet deal. It's almost worth putting no gas in the car without being extra.
You were literally asleep the entire flight.
I was trying.
And I was up the entire flight.
Was I snoring?
No, surprisingly you didn't. That's why I was so scared. I was like, I hope she don't start snoring because people
Go past
start
this light.
looking at me.
Then
Look at this. It is like 6 something. We finally arrived at the hotel. We still have no food in our stomachs.
None.
Not one drop of food. And it's chilly out here. TV, mirror, desk, all that fun stuff. Let's see what our view looks like. Oh, that's not bad.
Look.
We have a fridge. Ooh, that's a fancy fridge.
Oh, I don't think that's the fridge.
Oh,
That's
oh,
the
that's a
fridge?
wine cooler or something.
I don't know. We don't have no microwave.
Is it like a pantry?
I think that's what's like a pantry.
We have. This is our little fridge. What is this? Oh, is that the closet? Oh. Oh my gosh, this is a robe. I don't know what that is up there, but that's
I'm gonna
something.
put the luggage.
This slides to cover up the toilet.
You want to show them?
Let me show y'all what it does. Look at this. It slides. And it covers. Ooh. And then you can open it up. And then the cool beans. A bright mirror. Spacious. Something lights up over here. Is that thing that lights up? Pretty solid, if you ask
They
me.
have the same thing like the one in Nashville.
I know. I was gonna point that out. These like the these are like the super duper dark ones that we had in Nashville. I'll leave that video link down below. You guys can go watch it. But these are like the super duper dark ones. It like it closes and you can't see anything. I think I showed you guys how that worked. My mom was really excited about it. Oh, look at this. We have a random little red chair, a little floating desk. We are gonna go get something to eat, and then yeah. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, I'll try real quick. You tell the vlog, and I'm gonna go eat.
I don't want to tell them nothing, cause I don't know if the holding fee, the $250 holding fee, is because we're staying for 5 nights, or if that's just what the holding fee is. But yeah, you know, I don't understand about holding fees because some people come places and act a fool. I get that part. But the $15 a day to park your car, make it make sense. Okay.
Yeah. Get some food. anyway, we're gonna get some pizza. And yeah.
Hopefully we can find a gas station to get something.
Oh yeah, we haven't seen the gas station yet. We're at the pizza place.
Ooh, Michael cheese handcrafted.
We got the food. My phone's on 33%. We got the food, but we haven't eaten it yet because my mom went inside at the gas station because she wanted to get some chips. But I'm hungry. I already ate 3 of the wings. There's 3 left. I wanted to be a nice person and save her 3. I've had a piece of bread. I started eating some of my tres leches cake, but it's really sweet, so I want to wait. What else is on the radio station? This is a good song. This has been the most chaotic 24 hours. But officially, we have made it. Anyways, oh, y'all, I am sleepy. Anyway, I ate some food. I had 3 pieces of calzone. And wings and bread. I'm full. Look at what mom's doing. She's doing stuff. See her? I'm so tired. I can't even like tuck properly. I just want to lay down and go to sleep. Anyway, that's it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment down below your favorite part of this video. Any other videos you guys want me to do. And today's question of the day, which is, have you ever been on an airplane before? That's a good one, right? Have you ever been on an airplane before? Ow,
You didn't ask that
wow.
question on your aviation blog, did you?
No. Have you guys ever been on an airplane before? It's a question of the day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna go to sleep now because I'm tired.